Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the iLoop channel. So, we saw a little bit about an introduction to statistics, and today we're going to go in more details about the types of statistics. So, types of statistics. As we saw, we have two types, which is descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Okay, so let us see a bit first of all what is descriptive statistics. So, in fact, descriptive statistics, it consists of organizing and summarizing data. Okay, it's mainly about organizing and summarizing data. This is mainly the definition of descriptive statistics. Then we have, as we said before, inferential statistics. This is another type of statistics, and this one is mainly it is a technique where in fact we use the data that we measured to get conclusions. Okay, so it is a technique where measured data is used to form conclusions. Earlier we saw about inferential statistics, mainly about the tests which are done in statistics. So it is a technique where measured data is used to form conclusions. So through this test, you will get a conclusion about how is the data, what is the situation, actually what will be the situation, how was the past situation, etc. So to be clearer, let's take an example. For instance, let's take an example. Let's say we have a data of students in maths, okay, in a class. So a classroom of students in maths, okay, in maths students. Say we have around 20 students, let's say. And let's say that we are looking up the marks for the first semester. Marks of first semester. So from this example we have different figures, right? We can have students having 84 out of 100, 86, 78%, 72, 75, 65, 80%, 81%, 92%, and so on and so forth till we get 20 marks in all overall, because we have 20 students. Now for here, what can we say if we are analyzing the descriptive statistics? What question can arise in this situation if we want to analyze the descriptive statistics? What question can we ask ourselves if we are targeting descriptive statistics? Simple, right? One question can be, what is the average marks of students in the class? This is a descriptive statistics. We want to know the average marks of students in the class. This is a summary of the marks of the maths class. So one question is, what is the average marks of students in the class, right? This will give us a summary of the performance of students in the math subject in this class. Next, for inferential, let us see inferential. What question can we ask ourselves if we want to take into account inferential statistics? It's quite deep, right? It's not a direct question. For instance, we can say, are the marks of the students in this classroom similar to the marks of the math students of the whole college? This is a comparison. We have to do a test. We have to see. We have to compare. We have to form conclusions. So this is a type of question that gets into the inferential statistics. So are the marks of students from this particular class similar to the marks of students of the college. This is a comparison where we have to form conclusions. Now, one thing which is important here when I'm taking this into account, class and college, in statistics, something very important, where you have two things, which is population. It is represented by the letter capital N. This represents the college. And you have a sample represented by small letter n, which represents the class. This will get more into this when we'll cover the topic such as sampling techniques. Then we'll talk more about this. So I hope you get an idea of the types of statistics. An example where I gave you about marks of math students in a classroom. I hope you understood, and I hope that you liked the video. Thank you for watching.